night, cloudy, risk of heavy snow in the morning, then 20%, chance of flurries in the afternoon, wind, northeast at 22 kilometers per hour becoming light.
This is a countrywide test of the Environment Canada weather radio system. This system is created to bring you important information. If an weather emergency were to occur, this system will be activated by Environment Canada and be transmitted over the Alert Ready system on AM/FM and television. No action is required at this time. We may now return to regular programming.